March 10th, Saturday. It is 8 o'clock. My dog. Okay, and I'm doing my hour edit. I edit for an hour every morning, and I'm answering comments and things like that right now. But I'm also, excuse me, I'm also writing in my planner which videos have gone up already and which videos need to go up and when, because I'm getting really behind with the vlogs, and so I'm getting a little bit all confused. So I'm writing it down, what needs to be live and what needs to be edited and what's already up, to keep me organized. So that's what I'm doing right now, and then I'm going to edit for about 40 minutes because I'm already behind. I started answering comments, and I appreciate all you guys' comments. I really, really do. It is so nice. I love that you guys comment and that you guys watch, and it's just really cool. I really love that interaction. I really, really do. So today's agenda, I sat down last night with hubby and we figured it out. So this is what I'm going to be doing today. Now my son is in baseball and he has opening day today, but I don't know if that's even going to happen because it is really ugly and the air is very, very wet. You know what I mean? So I think it is going to rain. So it's opening day at 9, and then at 12 is his first game, like a mock game kind of thing. So my husband's going to go to that, and then I will go to the other games. But anyways, for today is I'm going to pack up all the greenery, all the plants and greenery. Pack up the kids' bathroom. Oh, excuse me. Pack up the kids' bathroom, the decorations and things like that. All my workout gear and like my DVDs, my stretchy bands, my weights. My purses that are already organized, I'm going to put them in a box. My shoes that I will not be wearing, and just keep out just the few that I will be wearing for the next 10 days or so, or more than that. And then any simple decorations that are around the house, like my vases and things like that. Nothing like pictures or nothing like that, just decorations. And then if I have the energy, as far as my makeup, I still have to make my bed. As far as my makeup and things like that, I'm just gonna go through my nails, the like false nails, and just some lashes and the glue and everything. That's all. I'm not gonna get into all the other details of my. And then as far as major house cleaning to do, I'm going to wash, which is the towels. I caught up on all the whites. That's what I wanted to do. Towels and whites, because I have a good amount of whites now. So. And then clean the bathrooms. And hubby got dinner. He's gonna make a pot pie, a chicken pot pie. And that's it for today. Thankfully, you had just recently gone through all this stuff, huh?
Yes.
So it's really not that bad. Seriously, guys. He's just gonna. Right. He's just gonna bring down the stuff up here. And there's my baseballer. Say hello.
Hello.
And then like put bathroom and stuff like that. That's what he's gonna do in here. I'm doing some laundry. I already washed a load of towels. I'm doing some not quite black colors, you know, like darker color, in between kind of color. There.
Pick up all that dog food and put it in there because we need to use it up. I'm not gonna take dog.
Yeah, we all need to work together today. Work together. Working together brings progress.
Same with this too, Savannah. Just put this inside that. You get it back.
Alright, I'm going to go back and finish editing. I got about 15 minutes. Oh, my cookbooks, if you want to bring them in the house.
No, I'll just leave them on here until I'm ready to pack.
Wait, because I don't know which ones I want, which ones I don't want.
I know.
So can somebody bring...
Them.
It's too cold out here. In the casita.
I gotta go.
Okay. No, like when you work in here, if you can just...
Yeah.
That's fine.
Or you could just come out here and tell me what you want.
Oh, I'm surprised we haven't bit each other's head off.
I'm pretty calm.
You're pretty calm?
I'm not, yeah. You would have seen what happened the other day.
All right, all right, all right.
I would be really mad if you were on the other
Oh. Ooh. Tempers are flaring.
Really mad. You would have been really, really mad.
He was really mad at me.
What did I do wrong?
It's real life, people. Real life, but we got into it a little bit, and it's all good though. We all, you know, come on, Chulo. But you know, sometimes you know you have so much going on, and even you try to stay as organized as you can and everything else. But he's tired. I'm tired. I have. Whoa, I'm dark. Hold on a minute, guys. You know, I have projects and ideas that I want to work on, and he has, you know, he's come from work, and you know, he's tired, emotionally tired, and then you know, it's just it's a lot, and then you know, we got to keep up with the kids' activities and you know, things like that. But I think overall we're doing pretty good. I think overall things are getting done, and I feel really accomplished, actually, really accomplished. But yeah, we have our moments where I think we need a timeout from each other sometimes. Okay, I'll be back. Probably my mom's. Oh, sorry, Mom. He just threw your, Mom, he just threw your toothpaste.
This is his diaper rash.
Diaper rash ointment.
So
I have no idea.
where do you want me to put all this then?
Leave it there. I'm gonna clean the medicine cabinet. But whose is that, Pierre?
Nobody needs diaper rash.
I don't know who. Maybe it's my mom's. I don't know. I don't know. So this is. Are you using? I'm gonna pack these up for you.
Yeah, those are my clips.
So can you, when we pack up your, oh no, just leave it there. Okay, so this is all we're keeping?
Yeah.
All right, thank you. All right guys, so I'm in the bathroom, the kids' bathroom. I've already taken down the, not this, the plastic shower curtain, but I took out the decorative one. I'm gonna go ahead and wash it and fold it, and then tomorrow I will do a clean of the bathtub for tomorrow. Today I'm just gonna leave it alone. Tomorrow do a bathtub clean, and then right before we leave I'll do another bathtub clean. But I'm putting away all their decorative decorations that I have in here. These are all like the beach theme. I even have these little school of fish we caught here. I think that's what they are. What are these? Sardines, maybe? I don't know, maybe. And this one here. So anyways, I'm basically gonna take away all the decoration. I'm gonna clean the medicine cabinet out. The bathroom seems to be pretty clean. I don't think I really, just gonna wipe it down. I don't think I need really much cleaning. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this bathroom. Get rid of just things they don't need in here. I'm gonna go down there and clean everything. And I'll just start leaving like the toilet papers up at the top instead of using their toilet paper holder that I leave underneath the sink. I'm gonna pack that up. So that's what's going on right now. My daughter has been fully entertained. Get over here, girl, I can't see you. She's been fully entertained with this box. Who would have thought? I should have got her that for Christmas. Who would have thought? She's just been walking around with a box around her waist. My daughter is in here cleaning the walls, so she'll be doing that as many as she can. This way when I come in here and do the final clean in here, it won't be as bad. But her room is really, really, well, I don't know, you and your little sticky tapes and stuff like that. But you're gonna do the closet and you'll clean it up? Okay, girl, that is not the rag you're supposed to be using. Now that I opened up the curtain, you can actually see more of the dirt. So come back in here. And then you need to do the door and all of that. My husband's going to take off the ceiling fan and we're going to donate it because she's done with the pink. She never was a pink girl. And we're going to put back the original light fixture that was here. We saved everything. So that's going back. So please go ahead and put down your box. Put down your box. All right, guys, just checking in. It is it's 10:34 and it's raining outside, so I don't know about the game. The opening, they're at the opening ceremonies, but I don't know about the game because it's still pretty, it's raining. Yeah. Okay, I'll be back. I'll let you see the progress here in a minute. Okay, just checking in. Oh, I was gonna look at the time up there. It is 3:37. My husband brought us some In-N-Out because, yeah, we were gonna try and cook a pot pie today. That's not gonna happen. Maybe tomorrow. Go ahead, baby. I got it. Leave it there. I got it, sweetie. I'm starting to take the home decor stuff down. I boxed pretty much all the greenery and things like that. I'm gonna do the baskets, put those together. Let me show you what I got over here. That box over there is pretty much full, but I have several boxes open, and as I pull, I pick and, you know, try to fit things in certain boxes. So get the best out of our boxes, you know, use as much space as I can.
Do you have a roll of tape somewhere?
Yeah.
Where?
It's in the bedroom, I think, on the bed, or I put it on top of the printer or somewhere around there, or the top drawer. Oh, I have the Algenist lip gloss, but it's like a lip treatment, and it really feels pretty good. Okay, so that's what I've been doing. The bathroom is done. You know, I got that. The washing is being done. Yeah, I'm getting everything done off my list. It is
So
5:20.
someone's will go for the bus. Yeah, but you can't go for tennis.
They're gonna pick up this carpet right here.
But I'm saying in the morning.
Let me show you.
Yeah. So it's not as-
They're gonna pick up that carpet right there.
Well, yeah. Hold on.
Let's go outside. My daughter's out in the rain. She took an umbrella. Look at her. Let me show you her.
Not here.
No way. It'll wet my camera. Let's go out
You hold it.
in the rain. Look at her crazy nut and her dinosaur shirt. Show them your dinosaur shirt. Look at that. Her bestie. It is cold out here. It's nice though. Come on. Look at the garage. The garage is looking good. They still got to get all the stuff down. Oh, my back hurts. I'm going to have to take an ibuprofen. It's crazy. Okay. This area is looking good. Good, good, good. Okay, let's go see what they're doing in here. It's looking empty. I'm gonna finish up in here. That's gonna go pushed back in the living room. And yeah, oh, I still have to pack up my workout stuff. Ugh. Okay, let me go finish up. I'm packing up the light bulbs so they don't break. Okay, be back. 5:50. Sorry about the lighting, guy. But I'm putting away my DVDs. These are all of my DVDs, and 90% to 95% of those are Leslie Sanson. They are. But I'm just about done here. This was one of the things on my list, was to do this, and I think after this I'm going to vacuum, pick up the remainder of the stuff. And the other thing on my list was to do my shoes and just leave out the pairs that I'm going to be using. But I don't know, because my back's starting to hurt. I told my husband, this is like a 49-year-old back. I don't know. I don't know if I could do it. But I might have a little bit of energy left. And then after that, I'm going to go straight into the shower, I think. Because if I sit down at this point, I'm not going to get back up. Oh, I still got to put away the dishes. All right, guys. I'll check in with you in a little bit. Okay. I'm going to sleep good tonight. I'll tell you that. Okay, so. Okay, it's dark. I don't know why. Okay, so my husband brought down a box that has our old CDs. And look! El Divo, remember I just bought the concert I showed you was it the other day? I don't remember, gosh. But I'm gonna play this right now. know. I'm so excited. Hopefully it's not scratched, or because it's been up in the rafters up in the garage, and it gets extremely hot up there. So I don't know if it's gonna play or anything, but I'll try. So I'll have some music while I work. I've been listening to them actually. I downloaded a couple of songs from iTunes, and I've been listening to them, but I don't have the whole CD, so it's kind of nice. Okay, I'll get back to work. It's 6 o'clock. Oh, I'll be back. Just took my shower. It is 7:48. Really good timing. Really good. We did good. We did really, really good. Okay, so the kitchen is not yet completely picked up, but we did take off the thing I had there. Most of the items on the garden window are taken off, or packed up. I'm sorry. Packed up. Here, this is empty. Empty. I'm sorry there's not enough lighting, but the table that was over there is now moved here. This is the rug from the living room, the big one. And then here's the other furniture piece, and everything here is empty. Everything from there is empty except the third drawer. It has my kids' Nintendo games. Hold on a minute. Okay, and then, okay, so just to let you know, Chad, everything, and I know you're tired and you're like, everything in that cabinet is out except for the third drawer. It has a bunch of Nintendo games.
Yes.
Okay. And then those are all my hanging stuff. Everything here is done. Everything there is off. I'm sorry. I'm done. This stuff here on the bench is just packaging stuff, tape, things I could use to package items. Everything here is empty except for the top drawer that still has some stationery things in case my kids need some paper, etc. In the living room, you're not going to be able to see the living room. I'll show you that tomorrow. But that's pretty much it. The kids' bathroom is done as well. So I just left them some toilet paper, extra soaps, and I took down and washed the decorative curtain. Left them with one towel, as you can see, hanging over there, just so they can dry their hands. There is nothing down there at all. And the medicine cabinet over here is just my son's toothbrush, my oldest when he comes over, and a shaving thing, and that's it. Otherwise, this thing is completely emptied out. Okay, my friends, that is it. That's it, my vlog today. Thank you so much for spending the day with me. Thank you for going with me, coming with me on this adventure. Today I have